guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riya and in today's video I will be sharing with you some summer essentials that you need to have with you. This is gonna be a lockdown edition kind of summer essentials because this year we are all inside the house and I think you shouldn't be going out unnecessarily if you're in India because the cases are really rising super fast, and in case you're at home, quarantine or whatever it is, stay at home because that is the best and the least you can do as a citizen of India, because right now the healthcare is under a lot of stress and pressure. So we can just reduce it by staying at home, wearing the mask and sanitizing here and there whenever needed. And yeah, this video will have all the summer essentials that you need when you are inside the house. So yeah, subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing and a very important thing you need to have is a huge bottle of water. Keep refilling it as soon as it gets over, but drink lot and lots of water because summers in India right now is worsened to a huge extent and there can be dehydration. So drinking lot of water is really essential for your skin, for your hair, for the whole body, to be honest. So this is there in every house, so keep a bottle for yourself and just try to drink 3 to 4 liters of water every day. The second thing is very important thing, Dermicool. Every Indian knows this. इसका ad तो हमने बचपन से देखा है, and this ad is going to be a nostalgic one because Dermicool has been with us since ages now, and this is the only powder that can really work on ghamoria, that is prickly heat. So having this is the best. It can give you good hygiene as well. So use this powder if you have any allergic reaction or prickly heat or heat rashes during summers like me. I do have them on my neck, and just to not gross you out, I'm wearing this scarf, and yeah, I am using this and this really helps. I'm also using some medications which I bought on my own because now I know what I'm supposed to use and what not. But I'm not revealing the medication here because I don't want to make you use something that is not the right thing for you, maybe because I know my condition. I can use something that is perfect for it. So yeah, coming back to what we were talking, the third thing, that the most important thing for me right now because I have heat rashes, is Soothol. Even you can use this. Now this is not a sponsored video. Soothol बहुत बड़ी कंपनी का है, Borolin, and ये लोग collaborations नहीं भेजते. So this one really helps you chill the prickly heat or heat rashes, I didn't know about this, my neighbor told me, and after that I'm using this and it really helps. It gives you that chilled feeling, as if you're in the AC. So wherever you have heat rashes under your arms, maybe in the neck or maybe in the back or anywhere, you can just spray this. It keeps that area clean, hygienic, and also avoids any bacterial infection to grow up there. So this is the most important thing, Soothol. It's a spray. You do get another one also, I don't know, but I have bought the neem variant in the spray bottle, so it's easy to spray and gives me a good chilled skin. Next is chilled aloe vera gel. Now in case you go out for any reason, or maybe if you get a sunburn, keep the aloe vera gel in the fridge, and wherever you have a sunburn you can just apply this. It can heal that sunburn really easily, so you don't need any other medications. So keep the aloe vera gel in your fridge or a refrigerator and let it chill. So whenever you get a sunburn, you just have to apply a thin layer of the aloe vera gel and you'll feel so better. The next thing is a moisturizer. I know you might think कि अभी तो गर्मी है, skin तो मस्त oily हो गई है, moisturizer की क्या ज़रूरत? Very wrong. You need to moisturize your skin throughout the year, no matter which season it might be, winters or summers or any. I use the Mother's Splash plant powered ultra rich face cream. It's almost over now. You could use any lightweight moisturizer. In case you have oily skin, you can use a gel based moisturizer. I think Pond's has one. So moisturizing your skin is really important. You could use a lightweight kind of moisturizer on your face, but don't skip it. Now comes the very important skin product that you need to use in summers. Actually all the seasons, but in summers when there is scorching heat outside, even if you're indoors, you're quarantined, or you're inside because of COVID, you still need to use a SPF, a sunscreen. Now because you're indoors, you could use a 30 SPF, or if you're going out, you could use a 50 SPF. I am using the Oriental Botanics Aloe Vera Green Tea Cucumber Mattifying Moisturizer SPF 50 because now I'm indoors, so 30 bhi chal jata hai, and it is mattifying as well, so it doesn't give you that oily texture on your face. So I'm using this one. You could use any that you like. There are so many brands, so there is Lotus, which is really good. I do use Lotus as well, but this year because I couldn't go out and get it, I'm just managing with whatever I have. And now coming to the hair. Now you might think summer में hair का क्या करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है. Your hair ends will become really dry, and you might get a lot of split ends, so this is the time you need to take care of your hair as well. So other things that you could do for your hair is you can use a hair serum. I use the blunt one. You could use any one. Any hair serum would do, but see to it that you're using something which is of a good quality, because check the brand. Don't use any random brands because that can damage your hair. You have L'Oreal serums as well, which are really good, so you could try them as well. I like the blunt, so I'm using that. And after you wash your hair, when your hair is damp, just take a little bit of 1 to 2 drops is enough, and apply it on the ends of your hair, just to keep your hair in the ends smooth, shiny, silky, and stop the split ends from growing further. And for the very last thing I have is stock up some scrunchies. Here I have 3 scrunchies. Now in case you want to know from where I bought these, I have my own business, that is the Color Junk. You can follow me on Instagram and shop there as well. So these scrunchies are the best for your hair. They don't create any friction in the hair because they are satin silk scrunchies, which are too good for your hair. Do not use the cotton ones because those can lead lot of friction in the hair and can damage your hair. So using satin silk scrunchies is too good. So tie your hair up and avoid getting the sweat in the neck. So that is why you need to stock up lot of scrunchies. Tie a messy bun and flaunt it in the house. Don't go out because you're not safe outside. But yeah, so this is all that I had to show you in my summer essentials kit for lockdown. So this can be called as the summer essentials lockdown edition. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. In case you like this video, share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel please, and like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.